Welcome to our YouTube live stream. We are Controbite, and today we would like to show you how to create 10 ladder logic PLC programming projects in only 1 month. Let's get started. Hi, Jacob.
Hi, Matthew.
Hi to all our subscribers. Remember to hit the like button down below the video. Hit subscribe button to stay informed about our new videos, new live streams, short videos, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our automation content. This is our plan of our presentation. Today's topic is From Zero to PLC Hero, Program 10 Ladder Logic PLC projects in only 1 month. We gather 50 future PLC programmers for our online course, and today we would like to show you how to join our PLC training, how to use free simulators, how to join our private Discord support channel, how to activate free licenses. TIA Portal is one of the most popular environment for programming, and how to activate license for free PLC simulator. Factory.io is a next simulation. This is a 3D factory simulation. Let's get started, and we have one tip for people who want to find a job in automation industry. My name is Matthew. Together with Jacob, we have established a company and which we teach people how to program PLC on our e-learning platform. Just write in the chat. Don't be shy. Write where do you come from, what do you want to learn. We are here to answer all your questions today.
Yes, this is Q&A session, so you can write on a chat and we will display the questions like this. And we will be able to answer all your questions right now.
Yes, and on our YouTube channel, you can find a lot of free materials about automation industry, about programming, and also we have some videos how to get a job in our industry. So I think it is nice channel to start. And right now we seek people for our programming courses, PLC Siemens, in graphical languages like ladder and FBD. And what's more, we have Codices course. You can start program in structured text language. Okay, your goal for this year could be become a PLC programmer and create a lot of real-world automation projects. If you want to be a professional PLC programmer, you can build a project portfolio with us, with our company. And based on that, you can create a CV, and after that, get a well-paid job in Europe, USA, all around the world. So set the goal, become a professional PLC programmer, and how to achieve this goal. We have a solution for you. We have opened a registration for a training program for a group of 50 future PLC programmers. The offer is time limited. There are only a few days left to join the training. Then we close the registrations and there will be no possibility to join. Yeah, tomorrow we close registrations.
Yes, this is our website. Here you can see the registrations on online courses, on PLC trainings. And right now, we have only 1 day left for registration for Siemens PLC course. So if you go to controlbyte.tech, this is our website. You can click here and you can check all the information about our course.
We have the first question. Hello, Tech, Tech. Just want to ask regarding on premium course. It is included the HMI programming also. Mm, Jacob.
HMI programming will be a separate course. In our premium PLC course, we have basics of starting HMI project. So you will be able to add HMI to your project and start a simulation. But the detailed HMI course will be a separate training.
So we have only a
the
programming.
PLC course is the first step that you can take in your learning path, and the HMI will be the next step. It will be available in our platform, I think, in 3 weeks from now.
Check how to join the course in the link on the chat. This is a special offer. Limited time. Tomorrow we will close registrations. Okay, what does the training for programming PLCs on the Control Byte platform look like? This is you, and you need only a computer. You don't need as expensive hardware. You will install PLC simulator, and you can start learning how to program. So we have e-learning platform, a lot of videos and project templates to download. And of course, you will gain an access to our support Discord channel. Okay, let's go to our topic. From zero to PLC hero. Here you can see one of the most popular PLC hardware in Europe. This is S7-1200 PLC from Siemens. And if you want to get a job easily, you need to start with that hardware firstly. What do you need to do first? Master basics instructions like normally open contact and coils. Then install simulators like PLC Sim and Factory.io. After that, write your first program in graphical language ladder and master standard library. You will use timers, counters, flip-flops, and triggers to structure your project. If you do that, once you do that, test your program using basic scene in Factory.io. How to learn at home? You can build an expensive stand with PLC, HMI, and a lot of cables, but don't do that. Do that. You can explore two key PLC learning simulators, like here on our slide. This is a virtual factory with robots, conveyors, control cabinets, and many more elements. You can build your own factory from ready-made elements. And here we have an icon of PLC simulator and HMI screen.
Okay, maybe I will show you my desktop. Okay. Here on the right, you can see Factory.io. This is a virtual factory. It looks like a computer game, but you can build here production lines like, for example, uh, a palletizer, a manipulator, 3D manipulator, robotic stations, and many, many more. If you build your scene, you have to connect your signals from the scene to your PLC project, to your PLC simulator, and then you can write a code. Here I have some code written in ladder logic. This is graphical programming language, standard for PLC controllers. And then you can test your code in this virtual factory. So as you can see, this is a lot of fun to write code and to test your code here. Here you can see a lot of signals, input signals like signals from sensors, output signals that will start the conveyors, and many, many more. This is one of the projects from our course. We start with the basics with one conveyor, two buttons, and one sensor, and then we move to more complicated scenes. This is not so difficult scene, but it requires to build a program in structured way, to program a sequence. And in our course, we will show you how to program a sequence in structured way. Okay, let's move on with the presentation.
In our course, we'll show you how to install free environments. First environment is TIA Portal. And in that software, we have embedded PLC simulator. This is PLC sim. You can program in graphical languages like ladder or FBD. Those are the most popular languages for PLCs. And next one is STL, which is text-based language. You have a standard library for that and extended libraries like PID and Motion. And you can program two PLCs. First one is S7 1200 and next one S7 1500. Another simulation is Factory.io. Here we have ready-to-use scenes. You can simulate conveyors, robots, actuators, and add sensors, control cabinets, and many more. I can tell you that you will have a lot of fun from learning process. You will start from scratch, from basic scenes to advanced screens like two axis manipulator. And how to deal with licensing? You can download a software for free, and the trial version is free for 21 days. And if you download those free versions, you can gain access to free trial version for more than 63 days. It is free, and Factory.io is free for 30 days. Thanks. You can
Wolfgang has a question.
You can finish our course in only 1 month. Thanks for that. It is compatible with TIA Portal 16.
Yeah, we deliver project templates in TIA Portal version 16. So you can start with TIA Portal version 16 and work with any other version that is higher than then 16th. So you can upgrade those projects to version 17th, 18th, and now even 19th.
Mm-hmm. So we have a PLC programming course for you, over 100 practical video lessons, your work in simulators, and we deliver, provide, provide a support on our Discord chat. We have live meetings with microphones. You can talk with us, and you have a lot of homework tasks to complete on your own. Thanks to that, you can become a professional PLC programmer in 1 month. What's more, we'll give you a feedback of your code. You will send you will send us your code. We will review that and we'll give you a feedback. After course completion, you will get a certificate, and you can, for example, share that certificate on LinkedIn or different job platform. This is our
Okay, for those who joined our live session recently, we have opened registration for our Siemens Premium PLC course, and tomorrow we are closing the students list. So if you want to join in this session, you should make your mind. You have to decide until Thursday, 11 p.m. Then we will close the registration, and it will be available for a couple of months.
Okay, let's go back to presentation. Look at that. This is our mission to teach you PLC programming. And if you have zero knowledge about programming, you will be PLC hero after 1 month. And we would like to show you some projects which you will build in our course on our platform. You will start from basic projects, like here we have a simple conveyor with control cabinet, start stop button, and a container. You will design a program logic using basic instructions like here, and we have normally open contacts and coils. Thanks to that, you can easily create a simple program with ladder logic and test with simulators. What's more, we have helpful materials on our platform, and we explain from scratch basic instructions. Next, you will develop your code, and you will add more functionality. Like here, look at that. You will design more complicated logic with more sensors, buttons, and logic gates. Like here, you have OR gate, AND gates, and many more. So you will teach step by step how to structure your project and how to build more sophisticated logic in your program.
We start with the basics, with all the instructions from standard library, so that you will have deep understanding of all programming instructions. This is really important if you start. If you skip some topics, it will cause some errors in the future. So we start with the basics, and then we will move on to more advanced projects. Here we have a scene with two conveyors, and your task will be to program a buffering conveyor. This is the second conveyor, so that it will buffer three conveyors, and then it will move the containers to the end of the conveyor. Here you will use instructions like flip-flops, counters, triggers, timers, all the basic instructions from the standard library.
Mhm. You will buffer containers on the line, and you need to design a simple sequence, and you will rise as a PLC programmer very quickly. Next project is sorting boxes by height. We have entry conveyor, left conveyor, and right conveyor. Based on product height, you will move the product on the right or on the left. And here we have a curtain. That curtain measures the height of the box. What's more, we explain how to design, uh, how to analyze the object, and how to design uh, a sequence for your program.
According to graph set diagram. This diagram that you saw in a second was a graph set, and we will show you how to design such a diagram and how to implement this diagram in your code.
Yes.
Then we'll move on to FBD programming language. This is similar language to ladder. It is also a graphical language, but it uses a functions block instead of a ladder logic structure. In TIA Portal, those languages can be used both.
Yes, a good PLC programmer should know how to program in ladder logic and an FBD programming language. Those are graphical languages, and if you go to your future employer to factory and you will analyze code, you will see that the most popular languages are graphical languages. First is ladder, and next FBD. That's why we would like to teach you how to program with
in TIA Portal. You can
languages.
convert a program block from ladder to FBD and from FBD to ladder. You have to just click here and switch programming language. And as you can see now, my program from ladder logic is in FBD.
Yes. We are waiting for your questions on the chat. Be active, don't be shy. We are here to help you.
Okay, I see new viewers on our live session. So for the new ones, we have an information that the registration for our PLC programming course is open until Thursday. So you have 1 day to make your decision to join our course. The link is on the chat.
Okay, let's speed up our presentation. Here we have more projects. You will deal with type conversions and floating point numbers. We explain from scratch how to deal with that. And next we will go to sorting line, and we will sort products by the color. Here we have input conveyor and a stand with a mounted vision sensor. The vision sensor detects the color of element on the line and base on and if the vision sensor detects a specific color, the specific sorter will be enabled. Okay, and the element will go to specific box. Here we need to use some knowledge how to design a sequence for that line, and we analyze automation object. We'll explain you how vision sensor work and many more. And we'll talk more about this line and how to set input variables in the driver and output variables. And here you have a sample program for that sorting line. We'll design a sequence. Here you have a sequence, you have init state and some more states. Based on that diagram, you will design a ladder program.
Okay, and let's move on to another project. We have a question from Harold. Hello, sir. Please, could you do a video on PID for us, please? Of course, the project that you can see has implemented PID controller. So you can find this project in our course, and we'll talk about this topic on our YouTube channel as well. So here you can see a water tank, and here we can implement a PID controller for filling and discharging water to this water tank. In this water tank, you can find two proportional valves controlled by analog value, and you can connect an output from PID controller to those analog signals, and you can control fluently filling procedure.
You will design a PID controller for that tank and sequence for filling the tank, how to use discharge valve, filling valve, and many more. You will set a value for PID controller, and you will start a sequence of that program. Very important thing is to know how to use functions and function blocks. We'll explain difference between those blocks. And after that, we will design a block for pneumatic actuators. We have 3 pneumatic actuators, and we'll design a function block for that automation object. Thanks to function block, you can create a code only once, and after that you can copy that many more times by creating instances of that function block. Very important thing, you will design an interface for the function block, and we'll show you how to program that from scratch.
EMTech says, I'm interested on this, hope to join on this course. We also hope to see you in our training, so you can find the link on the chat, and don't hesitate, just join the course. Okay, and the last project in our training is 2D manipulator with vision sensor and using structures and arrays to store data about the moving project, about transferred project.
Mhm. Here we have an array.
Yeah.
You will structure your project. You will add products to that array, and you will create a structure with different data types. So that project is more complicated, but this is the last project. You will gain basic knowledge. You will go through our projects, and in the end, you'll create a really big project like here with two-axis manipulator.
Yes, here we will implement more advanced programming concepts like arrays and structures.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, you will have to program a sequence and points to program the manipulator.
Of course, you will have a lot of homework tasks to
Yeah,
solve on your own in
best
our
part of
course.
our course.
Okay, that's all for projects, and we want to show you that you have a lot of opportunities to join uh, industrial automation branch. If you want to be a PLC programmer and get a job, you will need to know how to program, and you can earn even 10K dollars per month in Europe, USA, Asia, or or around the world. And we have high demand for automation programmers, and you can secure your position. Mm, this is really interesting job because you will work in mm, di- diverse industry applications, and you will learn new concepts. And as a PLC programmer, you will play a crucial role in designing and implementing automation solutions. So, how do you become a PLC programmer as soon as possible? You can go to stationary training, but it's really expensive, and the cost is up to 3,000 euros. But if you want to go to online training, we organize online trainings. The cost is up to 400 euros. But wait, we have today a special offer. Maybe Jacob mm, just show our subscribers our
Yeah, if you go to
our
our website,
offer.
click on Premium PLC Programming Training. Here you can find all the information about the course. And here you can find a button like buy the course or join the course right here. So now we have special price for you. It won't be 5,000 euros now. It also won't be 400 euros. Now we have special price for new subscribers. It is 99 euros for one student.
Mm-hmm.
So all you have to do is to go to our site, click the green button, join the course or buy the course, and you can select a bundle with a structured text programming or single premium PLC course for Siemens PLCs. So take your time to check the offer of single PLC course for Siemens PLCs or the course in a bundle with structured text programming basics. Siemens PLC course is in graphical language like ladder and FBD, and the second course is in structured text programming. This is the text-based language for PLC controllers.
Mhm. For whom? For people who want to carry out projects in automation and gain better employment or increase earnings. For people who need support from experienced specialists in the process of learning PLC programming. And when creating a PLC programming course, we ask future PLC programmers what exactly they struggle with. Maybe you don't know how to start and you don't have money for expensive equipment, right? So start with Siemens and free PLC simulator. You can download PLC Sim and HMI simulator. It is totally free. If you have never programmed PLC and you don't know how to start, learn basic first, theory of ladder logic, and immediately go um, to programming and start your first project in simulator. It overwhelms me the amount of knowledge to acquire. Don't worry, projects in the course range from basic to complex. If you have lack of motivation, we are here to help you. We have our e-learning platform and support on Discord channel. I would like to program PLCs and work with projects by myself. You can do that. You will have homework tasks to solve on your own in on our e-learning platform. But remember, you can receive programming tips. You will not stay alone. We constantly help you with programming. Uh, and next, you will be able to use your knowledge in real world projects. If you have no time for training, you have 24/7 access to the training from a computer with internet access. You open your laptop and you can start learning. No problem. How long does the training take? The training takes from 1 to 2 weeks, but you can spread your activity over time, even for up to a year. We support you all the time on our forum and Discord chat during this course, and access is really cheap. It won't be 5,000 euros. We have a special offer for you. We have opened a registration for training program for a group of 50 future PLC programmers. If you want to join, we have a link on a chat. Just go to controlbyte.tech because tomorrow we will close registrations. We use safe payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, and you have 14-day money back guarantee. If you say that course is not for you, we will refund you and we'll send you money back. Okay. What about robot programming? It is included in this course. If you join this course, we have a simulator, factory, virtual factory simulator, and inside that factory, you can simulate, for example, manipulators. But we don't teach how to program robots in that course.
Yeah, and this will be a separate training. So here we focus on programming languages for PLC, programmable logic controllers, and for robots, we'll create separate training.
Mm-hmm. When you sign up for the course, you will get access to our e-learning platform and Discord chat support group. And we can talk on Discord every day, every single day. This is one of the best advantage of our courses. Our course. If you have more question, the offer is up to date on our site controlbyte.tech. But if you have more questions and you would like to join the course before registration will be closed, and just type message to our email address contact@controlbyte.tech. We'll answer your questions. But remember, tomorrow is the last chance to join our training program.
Okay, we have a question. Sir, I have a question. If ever the offer of this course is already closed and someone want to join, is there any way to join the even late? Time for registration is until tomorrow, so you have to make your decision until Thursday, exactly 11 p.m.
Yes, and after that date and that hour, the price will go high. Okay, will rise.
Yeah, we have
We
a
have
special offer for new subscribers, and then the price will be higher for 100%. Sure.
Mhm. So thank you for watching, and see you in the training. Remember about hitting the like button, subscribing our channel, and also you can reach us on different social media like Instagram, Facebook, and on our website.
Thank you for watching, and see you in the course.
See you.